Hello viewers, welcome to Audio 360. Today I have this JBL Tune 230NC from one of the subscriber. His name is Rakesh Kumar. So it's telling that the battery backup of these earbuds are completely bad. It is not coming up to the mark. So let's see what is the problem. So alright, let's tear this down. So alright, let's take this out further. So many layers of packing. This is pretty solid packing. This can be shipped to any part of the planet. Yes, there is one more layer. Very solid packing here. Finally, I'm going to access this earbuds. So this is the JBL 230NC earbuds. So as per the input I got from the brother Rakesh Kumar, the backup of these earbuds are very bad. So I am going to replace the batteries of these earbuds. So this is the battery which I am going to use. This is brand new batteries. I will show you the voltage of these batteries here as well. So before that I am going to take out one of these earbud from the case and I will open this. The beauty of this channel is Audio 360. After replacing the battery, you will not be able to identify that battery has been replaced or this is teared down. So the work will be very decent and nice here. So let's take this out. So we have to give little bit of heat here because it is pasted, and while removing this you should not apply too much force because there will be thin flux cables inside. So if you open very abruptly, then the flux cable will break, then you will end up wasting the product itself. You may find easy in the video because I have done it very regularly, very oftenly. I have replaced it, so it will look like very easy, but it is bit hard here. Alright, let's take this apart. So alright, I have taken this apart. You can see there is a wire here running to the speaker here, and there is one flux cable coming from behind, and the battery cable and the speaker cable is connected to this flux cable. So we have to take this flux cable slowly because it is pasted to the battery. So I am going to use some prying tool here to take off this flux cable. So I am just slowly lifting here. Never push too much, never put the force too much. You will end up breaking this flux cable. If this is broken, then the earbuds is waste. So I have slowly removed this. Further there is little bit of pasting here, this side. That's it, it is removed, and the speaker wire is connected to this point and the battery wire is connected to this point here. So this is plus and this is minus. Red wire coming from the battery goes to the plus terminal here and the black one goes to the minus. So while taking this you have to use the thin soldering machine here. If you keep for too long, then the flux cable will burn easily. Again it will be of no use. You have to take it carefully. Use experts advice how to remove the flux cable. Taking the soldering will be easy. You can take out the wire here easily by using the soldering machine, but you should be aware that you should not burn this flux cable. This is very thin actually. Alright, now I am going to take out this battery from this take out the battery from this housing, and before that I will take off these two wires here, plus and minus. Red is plus and the black one is minus. So you can see just by touching I have taken out the red wire. Similarly I am going to do that for black wire. You can see both wires are removed now. Now it's time to take out the battery. Again you have to pry the battery very slowly, otherwise this flux cable is almost near touching to this battery here. So while pulling the battery you may pull the flux cable here as well. I am repeatedly telling this because so many people has complained they have broken it. So be careful. You can see when I pull this battery, the cable is coming with the battery itself. Now you can see I have taken out the battery. This is the battery which I have taken out from this JBL 230NC, and the battery which I am going to replace is this one. You can see these both batteries are of same mAh. This is very high quality battery, this one. So there are so many batteries available in the market with different sizes and the different capacities and with the different qualities. So I find this is very good battery. So let me replace this battery. So alright, this battery I'm going to keep here separately. Now let me connect these two terminals to this flex cable here. So you have to connect this black wire to the minus terminal. You should not replace the terminals here. The red one is always plus and the black one is always minus here. So in this flex cable it is printed plus and minus. So minus will go to this terminal here. I'm going to simply touch here. That's it. You can see the minus wire is connected now. Now I'm going to connect this red wire. I'm just using the tweezer to place the. Now both wires are connected. New battery has been replaced with this. You can see how perfectly it is soldered now. Minus has gone to, the black wire has gone to minus terminal and the plus wire has gone to plus terminal of the earbud. So this is perfectly fine. Now we have to just keep inside and we have to apply the paste here and we have to close this housing. So alright, now it's time to keep this battery inside like this. So the battery is in its place. Now we will just press this flex cable here so that it will hold in the battery. Alright, now this is fine. While closing you have to be careful. The housing it will sit in one direction, you can see like this. Before closing this I will apply little bit of glue here so that I'm going to use T7000 glue here so that if you want to replace the battery further in the future you can remove this without damaging the earbuds. So alright, let me close this. I have applied the glue here T7000. Now it's time to simply close these buds. You can see now it is closed. Before this glue cures, I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol here to clean the marks of the glue so that it will look like which is not at all opened. So alright, let me clean this and come back. Now you can see the finishing here. It will be very clean and tidy here. So alright, let's keep this and let's see whether this gets charged or not. Yeah, you can see just closing and opening this. You can see here light is blinking. Perfect. So I will close this. Alright, now I am going to keep this inside for charging. Now let me replace this battery of this earbud and come back. So alright, I have replaced the battery of this earbud as well. So now I am going to keep this in the housing and I will charge this for few minutes, maybe 4-5 minutes, and I will come back. Now I have kept this for 4-5 minutes. Now it will be ready to pair here. So I am going to open this Bluetooth page. In this you can see JBL 230NC is coming TWS. So I am just clicking that. It will ask for the permission here. So I am just clicking the pair button here and it is connected. You can see the battery percentage is already 80. So within no time this will be full of 100%. But before that I am going to show a small demo here, the working functionality of this earbuds. It is already paired. Now I am going to use my studio mic here. Please put on your earphones or headphones so that you can listen the quality of these earbuds as well. Alright, now I am going to play the song. So first I am going to show one of the earbuds here. So this is the left side and this is the right side here. So this is the working functionality. So alright, the earbuds are perfectly working now. It will be like as good as new. So this is the video. I have successfully replaced the battery and the battery backup will be as good as new. If anybody has problems facing like this battery backup issue, please feel free to do message here and contact me. I asked Mr. Rajesh to give the feedback of the battery backup in the comment section here. Alright, let's wind up. That's it for the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.